Fuck me. Wow. Okay guys, good evening. Good evening, good evening. I hope you are all doing well. Honestly, today I feel very sleepy. Guys, kindly share the live. You know the number before we start already, so share the live so that we can get to that limit and start. Okay. So right now you see where gold is heading to. 23.10. Only 4 people. Guys, share the live, okay? Good evening, Porsche. Good evening, sir. Market mover. Can you imagine? And who is that market mover? Bro, you for make steady, okay? 14 people. Okay. You cough and go to bed. Can you imagine? Yeah, guys. So how was your day? Actually, today I feel like sleeping. I feel like sleeping, honestly. So how was your day? Oh. Oh, that guy, it was funny. Just let him be. He was saying like I copy trade from professional traders. I don't know if I'm still a beginner. I never knew. Yeah. Oh, it was a peaceful day. That's good, bro. That's good. Oh, now we have 32 people already. So let's start off. Okay, let's push it to 40 then. Yeah, it was funny. But you see, today was crazy, right? Today was crazy. Especially those in the 1% gang. Some of them messed up yesterday. Was it yesterday? No, on Tuesday. The day we started now, some people messed up. So they were in a deep shit. But today, some even hit their target for the week, and the rest all recovered their losses. And some people is left with just $50 to hit their target. So definitely tomorrow they can hit their target successfully. You can look up the market and let's look exactly. No, they didn't trade by themselves, but there was a setup I gave them which they were supposed to just scalp, but they entered the market and left it. Okay, so when it was time for them to close, I told them to close, but they weren't there to close, and it went against them. Okay, I think 2 times or so they were in a deep shit. But thank God they recovered everything, and now in profits. And those people, those who were available to trade exactly what I asked to do are done for the week, like myself. All right, so yesterday we went through demand and supply, and 23 people. Demand and supply, and we got to know that at demand levels, those are levels where the big boys, the institutional traders, the hedge funds, and the central banks, that is where they place their orders, right? So when you see a demand zone, you wait to buy from the demand. If you see there is a support zone and a demand zone, the advice is that ignore the support and wait at the demand, okay? Because they will liquidate all the support people and then activate, come and take their orders from the demand. Because I said yesterday, and you know that they need volumes, they need more cash to push the market, and they want to use us, okay? I only post Outlook. I'm still working on trying to get somebody who will do nice shooting and also edit the videos. You see, all my videos I post, none of them has been edited, right? Yeah, I have all the tools. It's left with somebody who will edit them, take the shoot and edit. Okay. So right now I have the only videos on YouTube are the Outlook and some few messages about the proverbs and stuff. Okay. Yeah. What lot size do you suggest on $100 account? On a $100 account, you shouldn't use more than as a low risk, okay? Low risk, you shouldn't use more than 0.05. But if you want a high risk, you shouldn't use more than 0.15. High risk, okay, on $100. Why is this high risk? It is high risk because with this 10 pips gives you $15, right? So even if it goes against you 40 pips, you've lost $60 and you have $100, so your account will be left with just $40. So this is a high risk. All right, so if you want low risk, just use maximum 0.05 and $50 on 50 pips against you will give you $25 loss. You still have $75 remaining to go again. You get the point. So it's advisable to use between these zones. All right. If you understand what I said, you'll understand it. You said there is supply and demand zones, the hedge funds, you said if there is supply and demand zones, the hedge funds and the banks will be looking for them. Like, I don't get it, bro. But not, I don't get you. Can you come again? Because I'm not getting what you are trying to say. So guys, if you want to ask any question relating to this before we get to today's activity, make you ask now. Because once we get into it, I'm not going to answer this kind of questions. Okay? Okay, you should move, you bring the question later. Alright, so guys, today we are looking at the supply, okay? And supply zone also correlates. Wow. I love gold. So when you are looking at supply zones, in this case we are looking for cells, okay, where the big boys and the institutional traders sells their positions, okay. And yesterday we saw that we have two types of cells, where we have drop base drop and drop base rally and drop base drop, okay. So these are the two types of supply we have in the market, and you should be able to identify each of them and trade each of them. If you're able to identify them well, you can trade them well. I'm still running good on the buy side. Congratulations, bro. Yeah, so let's pick the drop base drop and talk about it, okay. Yeah, so looking at the drop base drop, it goes like this, okay. So it's too steep, whereby the market will be going in a downtrend, then consolidate and drop again, okay. So there will be a fair supply zone right here, then before this drop there will still be another supply zone here. So you have to wait for the market to come back to this zone to activate this drop, then you sell it off, okay. So this is a drop base drop structure, yeah, drop base drop structure. So in this case, with this drop base drop, you have two supply zones, okay. This is the first and this is the second, but mostly the first one doesn't really get touched early. This may be in the future, somewhere in the future, but surely the market will still come back there and fill it, okay. But at the initial stage, you focus on this, the initial supply zone, where the market will surely come here for them to load more orders. And why is here a supply? It's a supply because after this impulsive move there was a correction and then another impulsive. So there is also a sell continuation supply, okay, or a sell continuation pattern, okay. So as a lot of people may be buying, may be looking for a buy, now the market is consolidating, so buy, boom, to the downside. All stop losses have been hit. Then you have to wait here, okay. When the market comes back here, you look for your entry and you push the market lower, okay. Wow, fuck me. Gold is the man, I swear. Gold is the man. Yeah. So it's quite simple, okay. But like I keep saying, always make sure you practice. If you don't practice, it will be difficult for you to understand how it works, okay. Don't just look at it, oh okay, then this is simple, I'm done. So you just go deposit $200 and you want to trade drop base drop, bro, you will lose all your capital, okay. You have to practice. So when I return to the chart, look at that. Return to the chart. No, is there news? Is there news? Look at that. In less than 1 minute, oh. In less than 1 minute, 120 pips. Is there news? Let me check. No, let me check. This doesn't make sense. This doesn't make sense, guys. Doesn't. There's no news. There's no news. So what's happening? Wow. That was mad. I thought there was even news. Wow. Okay, yeah, so this is the first one, drop, base, drop. It's preparing for NFP. How do we practice? Okay, you have to back test. So subscribe to TradingView Pro and back test. And some people doesn't even know how to do back testing. I will teach you how to do back testing. Okay, somebody will just subscribe to TradingView Pro and he will just be playing the candles. He will click play and he will sit down and watch. Oh, okay, it is moving, it is moving, it is moving, and he's done. You are just joking. So if you don't know how to backtest, don't worry, I'll teach you. Okay, I'll teach you how to do it. Yeah, so that is the first one, and this is the second one. Drop, base, rally. Drop, base, rally. And with this is how it goes. It goes like this, okay? So an impulsive move to the downside, then it corrects, and from there it rallies to the upside. Okay, so when it rallies to the upside, remember your supply zone is here, so you wait for it and then you drop it down. Okay, so it's just like this. You have the impulsive move, you draw your supply zone, you wait for the market to come back to the supply, and you sell it down. So this and the first one, those are the two main supply zones you can get in the market. We need to know how to backtest. But must we subscribe? And can we subscribe in our birthday? You must, bro. You must. If you don't subscribe, you can't get access to that what do you call it? That replay too. You can't get access to it. So guys, do you get this? Let me draw it in a different way. Initially, the market may be pushing up, okay? Then, when it reach this level, you can see some kind of consolidation. Then, boom, to the downside, okay? You get your zone right here. The market will rather pull up later, come to the zone, you sink it, okay? It comes back, you sink it. So simply this is the drop base rally. Okay, the drop base and the rally. Hey, am I okay? Am I okay? Or I'm confused? No. Okay, yeah, it's still the same thing because the base is here. It consolidates and pushes back to the zone, then you sink it. So it's the same thing. I thought I was confused. I wasn't. I lost my 10K funded account today. Really? Who is that? Please, tomorrow NFP will you take us and like. What's that? What's that? Oh. Yeah, I'm thinking of doing trading live with you guys during NFP. So let's watch out and see. So guys, this is how this the formula, the structure looks like. I will turn into the chart, then we look for examples. Okay. So if you have a question here, kindly ask before we go to the chart. Please go over the last one again. All right. We have sometimes the market will be in an uptrend like this, okay, then it will consolidate a little here. You see a sharp move to the downside, okay. When you see the sharp move, it will still consolidate a little. So here you get your supply zone, okay. Then after the consolidation, this will give you a base. The market will rather then push back to the supply zone and you sell it down. So you have your drop, base, rally, then you sell it again. I hope you understand now. Yes, I love it. Trading NFP with us. How much are you going to pay me? So guys, is it clear that do you get it? Hey, I need to take water. Forgot it. Any question? Any question? If there is no question, then let's go back to the chat, okay? And like I said, make sure you backtest more before you can be able to do this, okay? Spend time and backtest. Okay. Okay, so we need a bearish market. We need a bearish market to be able to do this. Okay. Who remember this? Okay. How to draw supply zones. Yeah, that is why we are here. So I will show you. Okay. All right. So if you look at this chart, where can we identify supply? Okay. Look here. So you can see that sharp move, this sharp candle. Okay. You see that before this move, there has been some kind of consolidation here. Okay. Some kind of consolidation before the market pushed to the downside. Hence, this for the SMC traders, they will pick here the top of this wick and the bottom of this wick, and they will draw. Okay, they will draw. But for me, I will show you how I will draw mine. Why? 10 to line chart. You see, when I turn to line chart, you see what is happening. Good. The wick isn't showing, so I pick from the body, then I extend it into the future. Good. Now look at what happened. You see what happened? The market came back, testing the supply, and boom, it flew to it dropped. it came back again and dropped again massively until it broke to test this high, okay, and dropped again. Yeah, so please, where is your school located? My school is located online, bro. For now, the live classes at home I have paused because I'm looking for a bigger space before I can do this, okay? Yeah, so guys, you see what happened? It took a long time for the market to come back to the supply. Somebody was asking, what if it doesn't come back yesterday? It may take long, because if you look here, look at this. This was on the 27th. It came here on the 27th of March. Yeah, 27th March, and it got back on 1st April, 4 days. Okay, so over here you can see the market was just moving sideways market until it came back testing the supply zone, and then it sold off. Okay, yeah, so that is how it is. Let's try and see if we can get more examples. And I'm also going to show you a supply which failed. What is Kotex? What is Kotex, bro? Look here. You can see before this drop, there was a consolidation, right? So that is also formed a demand right there. But what happened? It failed. Why? It failed. Why? Why did it fail? Because there is another demand here. Okay? Look at that candle. Look here. You can see that is also a strong candle, right? This is also a strong move to the downside. So there is a supply right here, and that is why this one failed, because there was another one up there. So the market went up to test that supply. Okay, that is why it failed. So you can see that. Even if you want to use the wick, the SMC traders, they would have also hit stop loss, because for them, always, this is how they take their entry. Let me show you. Over here, you see, they draw their zone from the top to the bottom like this, and then they will put their stop loss just above the wick of this candle. Okay, they will put their stop loss just, sometimes they can even get 3 pip stop loss, 5 pip stop loss, 10 pip stop loss, and get like 10 so they sometimes they, if you are using 3 pips and they target like 30 pips, so they will get 1:10 risk to reward, 50 pips, 100 pips. Some people can even get as much as 1:20. Okay, yeah, so they will put their stop loss just above here, and if you look at what happened, the market will take them out. The market will take them out. But if you are a normal demand zone trader, you only focus on risk to reward. So if you are entering here, you are entering somewhere here, your stop loss will be somewhere above. Okay, Yeah, or it can even take you out as well. It's not every trade that would go in your favor. Okay, it's not every trade that will go in your favor, so take note of that. Okay, yeah, so this one, that first supply zone failed because there was another supply above, and the market tested that supply, and you see massive drop. Okay, yeah. And over here there was another supply. What happened? You see, it tested, it couldn't go, and it failed. Why? Why? What was happening there? Look at that. If you were still waiting to sell from here, it also took you out. Why? Can it be that there is a zone somewhere we are not seeing? Maybe. Maybe there is a zone somewhere we are not seeing. Okay? It can also be a stop hunt or something else. We can't see from the other side. Oh, okay. I'm trying to adjust the screen well. Okay, I'm trying. Yeah, so this was the supply. Okay, this was it. And the market came back again to the supply zone and it failed. Look at that. Long, massive candles hitting stop loss, formed a tweezer bottom, a tweezer top, and then fell down. Okay, and then it gave you another block and a supply right here, and this one the market came back, tested, and dropped. Okay, even at the same time it failed again. Why did it fail? Yeah, so if you know how to do these stuffs, most of the time you'll be making some good trades. So right now you can see there is another zone right here. Okay, we have another supply zone above here. Exactly where you see the strong bearish candles, you see that there will be some in consolidation before that strong push. Just draw a zone, wait for the market to come back, and you see what is going to happen. Okay, so now let us wait for the future. You see a lot of people will be saying that here is resistance, right? And this is a resistance. Now this will be a liquidity for the market to grab, so it will come and test this. Oh, it will come and this is liquidity, or this one here, consolidation. So the market will go taking out this liquidity, then it will drop when it tests that supply zone up there. All right, and inside that, when you come here, you can also spot another one here. There is another one here, but see, there is also another one here. So is the market going to respect all of them? That's the question. Is the market going to respect all the supply zones? Let's wait, watch out and see. Definitely all these ones will be liquidated, but it may test the first one, drop a little, then it will go up, breaking this, the middle one, and respect the one up there. Okay, yeah, so just watch out and see. What's that movement? Is it news? I don't know, bro. 30 minutes ago there was no news. That was what that same time gold was also moving like crazy, as I was saying. Look at that. Okay, yeah, so guys, I hope you are getting it clearly, you are getting it small. Let's try and see if we can get more examples and you will get it. Okay, you cut. Good. Okay, so look at this one. Okay, look here. You can see that before the push to the downside, there was a small there's a more an evening star pattern. Okay, an evening star pattern, and look at that candle right there in between the evening star. You can draw your supply zone. That's a supply zone right there. So you wait. This is USD CAD. Okay. Wait in the future and observe what will happen when the market comes back to that zone. Yeah. And as it was dropping, look here. You see a drop, and then it formed a base right here and another drop. So we have a drop, base, drop. Okay, a drop, base, and another drop. So you draw your zone right here, and also wait. Let's see what happened when the market got there. Good. So you see what happened when the market came back to test that level. Massive drop. A massive drop. Okay. Yeah, so we have fair supply. This was the first supply zone. It dropped, consolidated, and dropped again. So we had another supply right here, and look at what happened. The market came back testing that supply, and it gave a nice push to the downside. Okay, look at that. All right, so trading is quite simple. Trading is quite simple. You make it simple and it will be simple. Yeah, of course, I checked there is no news, but market moved crazy about 50 pips. Yeah, all of them, all like I think it's almost all the patterns. They are all doing the same thing. Yeah, so guys, do you get it? Do you understand? All it is, all you have to do is to understand the concept. You practice after getting the understanding. You don't just go and sleep because you've understood. You practice. You practice, and then you'll be able to get it. Okay? Yeah, that's what you have to do. You can't just say, okay, PiP Hunter is saying the thing is easy, so let me just go and sleep and I'll make money. Oh, that. So now we also have another supply zone here. The market is about to test it. Let's watch out. Let's watch out. But remember, there is a fair supply at the top, so they may still liquidate this one, go up here, and put more orders. Because the reason why the market comes back to supply zone is that when the market comes testing it for the first time, they load orders, okay, and they sell off. When it comes back later to that same level, they will keep selling until all their orders get finished. Okay, they will keep selling until all their orders get finished. Then it will break. Okay, it will break. So what you need to do is to practice and practice and practice and practice, and believe me, you will be able to do it. Okay, we were all like you. That's one thing you need to know. I remember sometimes when I go to my Telegram saved documents and I see some chart analysis I was doing previously. Bro, it was funny. It was funny. Like, I asked myself, so was I the one doing this shit? But it was me. You get to the point. It was me. But now I look at it and I laugh. Why? Because I realized I didn't know anything at that time. Okay? So that is why I keep telling you guys, this journey is a journey of process and patience. If you fail to go through the process, you will still come back and continue from where you skipped. So make sure you don't skip anything. Okay? Don't skip any process. Go through them step by step. Step by step. And then later, when you get it clearly, you realize that everything will be working smoothly for you. Okay? Yeah. So basically, this is how I can explain supply for you guys to understand. Any question? So now I have showed you example of the drop base rally and the drop base drop. Alright. So if there is no question, it means we are done with supply and demand. The next thing for you to do is to go and practice. Okay? You practice and practice and practice. You can do your analysis, send it to me to check for you. If I see it and it's okay, I will tell you. If there is something wrong, I will tell you. You work on them so that you get it clear. Alright. So that is what I can do for you. Will this be saved so that I can go back and take notes? It will. Yesterday I said I will post that one for you, right? I have not even downloaded it yet. Always TikTok download record them. So unless I go there and download before I can share. You get it? Yeah, so I will try and share these two ones with you. These two with you so that you can just go over. Okay. Okay. Yeah. Oh, I have YouTube channel. Go to the bio. You will see YouTube channel there. You can subscribe. Okay. Yeah, you screen record. That is also best. That's also best. So you have it at your own. You watch it all the time. That one is best, bro. Congratulations for taking that step. It seems easy, but it's difficult, bro. It seems easy, but it's really difficult. You have to go through practice and practice. If you get it done, if you clearly understand it, you'll be good. Okay? You'll be good because it looks easier. All you need to do is to have the patience and wait. Having the patience, waiting for the market, now you know this is a supply, this is a supply, and this is a supply. For you to get the patience and wait is the most difficult part of it. Okay? Once you are getting the patience to wait, you are going to get some good trades. But the thing is coming, almost about to hit here, and it will test this resistance and then drop. You'll be tempted, then you sell. And as soon as you enter the sell, it will go break the resistance and go to the supply. Your stop loss will be hit. You get to the point. So for you to get the patience and wait is the most difficult part. Once you are able to get the patience, believe me, you are done. But above all, you need constant practice. Okay? I'm hammering that because it is the most important part. In this business or in this journey, I always say the most expensive skills or the most expensive aspects of trading, do you know what it is? The most expensive part is not courses, it's not signals, it's not mentorship. Do you know what it is? Anybody? Let me read comments. Anybody? Do you know the most important or the most expensive asset? The most expensive thing you can get, or once you get it, you are good in trading. What is it? Patience, okay? Experience, okay? I have told you before, your knowledge, practice, and patience. The most expensive one is called experience. Okay? It is called experience. That is the most difficult one in it, the most expensive. For you to gain that experience, you have to get the patience. The market will mess your life. The market will do all sort of shit to you. Then when it gets to a point when you have seen all those things, you sit down and start doing the right thing. Okay? So that is the experience you need in order to make the money. Okay? I remember those days. The market is coming. I know I'm supposed to buy, sell here. I'm supposed to sell here, and I'm supposed to sell here. But when I see that there is being a rejection right here, oh okay, the market is rejecting. It cannot come to the zone. So let me sell, and I will enter sell. As soon as I enter, it moves, let's say 5 pips, boom, then it goes straight, hit my SL and come to the supply. Okay, so after gaining all those experiences, then you'll be able to make some good trades. Before, I was thinking that those multiple candles is liquidity that's in to be swept before movement, but I was wrong. Exactly. Most definitely the experience, because it will stress you real bad. Yeah. So if you don't get the experience, it will be really difficult for you to know, oh, I have seen this before. I remember those days when I used to do live with you guys, I will tell you, this particular pattern, I've seen it before. So this is what is going to happen, and believe me, it will happen. Experience. Okay? That is why there are some zones where I don't wait for confirmations before I enter. Experience. Okay? Yeah. So experience is important. Experience is really important. There will be a time where you will see some trades, like you come into the market, you will see this, oh, with this, it's a sell, just sell. You just say that it's a sell, it's a sell. And believe me, it will sell. Why? Because you've seen it many times. And anytime you see it, 80 to 90% of the time, it respects your sell. So when it comes back and you see again, you are not hesitate to trade, because you know that even if this one hits your stop loss, you have 2 chances of losing and 8 chances of winning. Are you going to joke? No, you will just shoot without waiting for confirmation. That is how people get sniper entry. There is nothing like a strategy called sniper entry. No, there is nothing like that. But you gain more experience such that you know a level whereby the market reaches there and just reverses. So you wait patiently for that particular level and you enter just like this, and the market drops. Just like this, it hits and pushes up. Okay? It comes from experience. If you don't have the experience, you will not know those things. Okay? Yeah. So sniper entries are being getting through experience. Yo bro, how be? Tell the baby we are waiting for him, okay? Tell the baby we are waiting for him. Can you use EcoBank virtual card to deposit in IC markets? EcoBank virtual card, I don't know what it is. If you have Visa card or MasterCard, those are the ones you can use, bro. Guys, any question? Any question? Today we are not going to spend more time like we spent previously because we are even done. Okay, 55 minutes. Guys, when it is 1 hour and I forgot, remind me that TikTok will give me an assignment to do. When? What are you talking about? Backtesting. Oh, okay. Any recommended broker? Tomorrow I'm going to trade NFP. Okay. I'm going to trade NFP on live. And I'm going to risk $100. Okay. And I'm going to use BD Swiss. Okay. The link, you can get the link from the bio. Just go to the bio. You will see BD Swiss portal. That's the account, the broker I'm going to use tomorrow. And I'm going to deposit, I'm going to use the cent account. Okay, so it's going to be $10,000. Sorry, 10,000 cents. And I'm going to use like one lot size, multiple positions. And believe me, that's how I'm going to do it. So if you want to get a cent account, the link is in the description, the bio there. You can get it. Backtesting. Okay, you want me to teach you how to backtest? I'll see about that. Bro, you are a good man. Seriously, it's hard to find a trader who shares this kind of info for free. Yeah, bro, sometimes you need to share knowledge. Knowledge is expensive, yes, but sometimes too you need to give out to the people. It will be difficult to withdraw from it. Which one? IC market? Yeah, IC market will take you like two days or even 3 days. So you can go to my bio and use my link there for them. Which one? BD Swiss is not a prop firm. Kortana is a prop firm. BD Swiss is not a prop firm. And for them, especially for in Ghana and you are using mobile money, in less than 3 minutes, your withdrawal hits your account. So that's what I'm going to use tomorrow. It's either I'm wasting $100 tomorrow or I'm making like $300 on it. That's my target for tomorrow. Hope no one hit stop loss. Oh no. Have we been hitting stop loss? We haven't hit stop loss for almost 2 months now, if I remember clearly. Nasdaq is tanking. Oh, nice. Let me check. In the morning, I caught a nice buy with Nasdaq. Let me check. See gold. Oh goodness. This guy is smart, I swear. Look at Nasdaq. Like, what's going on? Guys, what's going on? No, I'm confused. What's going on? Hey! What's going on? Can somebody tell me? This is mad. Like, what? NFP is knocking indeed, bro. NFP is knocking, I swear. What is this? What is this? Wow. No wonder tomorrow we are going to enjoy, believe me. I'm even shocked. And like, it's serious. It's serious. The sale should have happened long ago. Yeah, but it was still misbehaving. Wow. Jesus. Let me check his brother. Let me check his brother. Let me check his brother. Can you see his brother? These people, they go hand in hand. They go hand in hand. So once that one is selling hard, this guy will not be left out. He will not be left out. US 30. US 30. US 30. That's good. That's good. That's good. So meaning there is a potential for more sales tomorrow during NFPO. There is potential sales during NFP tomorrow. So when I'm during the market outlook, when the day ends, we will all see what is going to happen tomorrow. Okay, you will all see what's going to happen tomorrow. So let's watch out. All right, do analysis. Why should I do analysis? Today is education, bro. Let's see. Let me check. Somebody was asking GBPJ2Y. Look at GJ. Wow, that's mad. That's mad. I see. Okay. The sellers have jumped into the market. This is good news to some people. Seriously, it's good news to some people. Seriously. Anyways. Do we sell or buy? I don't know. We are done for the day, bro. We are done for the day. So just go and sleep. Tomorrow morning we will trade. Okay? We are done for the day. I'm not doing anything again. Okay, that's the reason why UCAD is pushing up. It didn't even cross my mind. It didn't cross my mind. I see. It didn't cross my mind, guys, honestly. Look at gold. Wow. So for gold, we still have a trend line here. Okay. Still have a trend line right here. And this is the first touch, second touch, third touch, fourth touch, fifth touch, and the sixth. Now this is the sixth time the market's coming back to the trend line. Alright, this is the sixth time the market's coming back to the trend line. So let's watch out and see what is going to happen. Once it gets broken, then it will come all the way to the next zone here. Okay, and if it gets broken like this, tomorrow we'll be looking for sells. Okay, we'll be looking for sells into these zones. Alright, so that is what is happening to gold right now. The market is mad. So guys, I will advise you stay away from the markets. Okay, stay away from the markets. Tomorrow we will see what is going to happen. Then you will know what to trade. So listen to the advice. Stay away from the markets. Go home and rest. Winter is coming. Okay. Why are you watching Game of Thrones? I love that movie, Charlie. Guys, so any questions so far? Wow, fuck. But that was a nice break and retest, Joe. That was a nice break and retest. See that? Nice break and retest. Okay. So if there is no other question, then I think we are done for today. Okay. How many minutes? 1 hour 4 minutes. Then let me monitor this. I enjoyed this sales. Congratulations, bro. Please, when is the right point to enter trade? Which trade are you talking about? Are you asking a general question, or you are asking about what is going on now? It seems there is a chance of gold going to the upside. We can't say for now, bro. We watch and see. Okay? We can't say. We can't. So watch out. Trade what you see. If you see that the market is pushing up, then you go in and buy. A general question. When the market comes into your zone, okay? If it's a general question, then this is the answer I can give you. When the market comes to your zone, then you wait for a candle confirmation. Once you get it, you shoot. Okay? Bro, please try and post it so that I will go back and take some notes. All right, I will try. I will try. I'll try. It's time for prayers, bro. So I'm leaving the class. Oh, okay, okay, Ishmael, no problem. Guys, any question? If you haven't joined the Telegram community, you can go and join. Okay, the link is in the bio. Search for PiP Hunter community. That's the Telegram. You can join and you enjoy good signals for free. My question up there. Really, let me go and check. What's your question? Bro, I'm not seeing your question. No. Can you explain how you would have? Which one? Can you explain how you would have entered? I didn't see. Bro, I'm not seeing your question, so I think you should type it again. Okay, type your question again. Waiting for 2065 for a buy. Then you have a long way to go. You will wait for long. Seriously, it may take days, weeks, or even months. Bro, give us the differences between demand and supply and support and resistance. Okay, so for demand and supply, they are zones where the big boys place their trades. Support and resistance is for retail traders. Okay, support and resistance are for retail traders. Demand and supply are for the big boys. So if you want to trade with the big boys, you use demand and supply and not support and resistance. Oh yeah. No, we are not meeting tomorrow. Remember, tomorrow is Friday. Friday is not part of the teachings. Okay, boss. See you tomorrow on live trade. Just pray I come. Okay, just pray I come. Maybe I'll sit. I'll do silence trade. Then I'll give you credentials to trade, just like a signal to trade. I may not come live, but I may also come. So watch out. Okay, I came late. I didn't that I turned on notification yet. Oh, sorry about that. The supply and demand part of the price action strategy. Yes. Yeah, it is. Is that a question you wanted to ask earlier? Guys, if you haven't followed me, make sure you follow me, okay? And if you haven't joined the Telegram community, the link is in the bio. Go and search for PiP Hunter community. That's the Telegram channel, and join. What time are you trading live tomorrow? If I'll come live, that will be, I'll come on to exactly 12 o'clock. Okay, exactly 12 o'clock. Then the news comes at 12:30. So 12 o'clock, I'll be live 30 minutes before the news. Can you show supply and demand and resistance, support and resistance on chart? Oh, bro, but I have been doing that since. Okay. Where's the mouse? Look here. This zone here, It's acting as support being resistance turning into support. Okay, resistance turning into support. That's a flip zone or RBS. Yeah, RBS formation. This zone here is also RBS. Okay, RBS formation. That is support, resistance being support. Here is also another support. This one is demand. Okay, this is a demand zone. This is a demand zone. Okay, and we have support. Let me show you. Yeah, so this is the support and the demand is just below here. Okay, we have a demand just below and the support zone is right there. Okay, so if it's sometimes it's really tricky. If you are not careful, you will not be able to identify them, but they works. And for you to get demand easier, look into the zones that gave you aggressive moving candles. The demand and supply gives aggressive moving candles. Okay, and the support sometimes it can be consolidating. So, all right. Yeah, so I think that is the explanation I can give you. Is the trend line breaking? We have 5 minutes for it to close. 5 minutes for it to close. Watch out and see how it's gonna close. Okay, if this close below that structure there, there's going to be a long sell. It might even break the next zone right here. It might even break it. Okay, so watch out. I will advise you stay away from the market. Come back tomorrow. By tomorrow we will see where the market is actually trying to go. Okay, tomorrow we are going to see where the market wants to go. Don't stress yourself tonight trying to trade. You might end up regretting. Okay, so guys, any question? So what topic haven't I treated so far? What is our next topic? That's going to be Monday. Yeah, so we have a class on Monday, Wednesday and Thursday. So I'll prepare a topic, then I'll teach you guys on next week. Okay, and end of April this session will end, this class will end. So make sure you grab enough before it ends. Okay, grab enough before it ends, because when it ends I may not have any classes again. If I'm going to have classes, it's going to be paid class, but it's going to be expensive. I'm not planning to do that yet. Okay, if you haven't joined Telegram, the link is in the bio before I exit live. Okay, okay guys, so since there is no other question, that comes to the end of today. So I will see you guys tomorrow. If you want to join the 1% gang, you can still join next week. Okay, so far we are almost done for this week, so you can join for next week's session and be part of us. All right, so have a good night, enjoy. Remember, don't forget to learn. Go through the learning process, keep on learning. These days I've become too lazy, but I'm still learning. Okay, I've become too lazy to learn, but still we need to learn. Okay, so enjoy yourself. Use the weekend ahead to do more kind of research, back testing. Okay, so maybe in the next class I will teach you guys how to back test, okay, so that you can actually back test the right way and not just anyhow. Okay, so that's the end of today, and I will see you guys next week. If I will be live tomorrow, I will announce it in the community, okay, so that you prepare your account and wait. So have a good night. Erido, today they have seen you, okay? Today they have seen you. Enjoy your day. Bye. Oh, fuck me.